Hi everyone, we're group 16 and our project is called SFU Course Planner. So just in case you guys missed our project pitch, we are working on an app that helps SFU students organize their degree in one place. I'm pretty sure all of you guys have experienced being overwhelmed by a lot of information on a lot of different platforms, which are changing constantly throughout your degree as well. And if you're already overwhelmed with your semester, that is just not helping anyone. So instead of checking multiple sites like GoSFU, Courses, Canvas, students can track program requirements, add courses, and plan semesters in one app instead. And today we'll walk you through the main parts of our project, what each of us worked on, and what's next for show and tell 2. So in this phase, we built the core UI components for our app. We each focused on a specific section for now. So as you can see, Darine worked on program requirements, Rana worked on adding the courses, Cas worked on semester planning, Elaiza worked on profile and navigation, and Angela worked on course info and deleting the courses. Everything runs on placeholder data for now because we mostly focus on UI, but it's ready to connect to APIs later on in the next phases. So before coding, we designed the whole app in Figma, which is actually done by Cas. So thank you for that. And this helped us plan the flow, choose consistent colors and layout, and make sure every page looked cohesive. And it really helped us to be able to visualize what each of us were thinking and planning, and just come to a conclusion of how this is going to look like. So we focus on reusability. For example, the same course card appears in multiple places like the semester list, schedule, and the delete screens. These Figma designs were our blueprints, so the final app matches them very closely. If we are able to get to it, if we have time, if our schedules allow it, we will definitely work further on the app and how interactive and how visually pleasing it will be as well. And then as you can see, we created reusable pieces like buttons, menus, and course cards using the same components across screens, which keeps everything consistent and easier to maintain for us as well. And then to begin with, we have profile views. So this is the profile view section, which shows a user's avatar, name, major, and degree progress in a chart, just for a better visualization. There's also an edit profile screen where you can change your avatar or update your program info. If you decide to declare a major, another minor, you're trying to pursue something else. For now, again, it's static, but it will be ready for backend integration for next phases of the project. And here you can see semester view. This view displays the courses added for a term, shown as cards in a list. So from here, users can go to the schedule view or edit the semester. And then again, all the data on this page will be updated automatically as well. And here we have schedule view. So for schedule view, we have weekly layout of classes. It is designed like a timetable, so classes will appear in a correct time slot once connected to the data sort, like a calendar for SFU classes. And we will also add a conflict detection later as well to visualize if you have any conflicting courses with each other throughout your schedule, especially because we do have multiple campuses across BC, and there are a lot of commute time, so that can be a little tricky to plan around. And then here we have program search. So the program search lets users find and select programs when editing their profile. It uses a recycler view to display options and will later connect to SFU's actual program data. So here we have program requirements. So this screen shows a student's required courses and which ones are completed or still needed. It's built with recycler view. And as you can see here, how to navigate through it is just to make checking your progress quick and visual. And then here we have viewing course info. So this screen displays course details like the instructor, the prerequisites, and the description. We're adding a timetable visualization using better units to show when classes are going to happen. And definitely, if you do not meet the requirements for a course and you do not have the prerequisites, we are planning to have a warning pop up on the screen as well. So here we have deleting the courses. Users can remove courses from their semester plan if they don't want to take it anymore, or after the first week or two they want to drop a course, they're changing their mind. This page, it uses checkable material design cards, and then you can just select what you want to delete and the list will update automatically. And since the backend is live, this will happen instantly as well. So here we have semester planning. All features connect here. So students add courses, view them in their semester, they see the schedule and remove classes all in one place. This, in a sense, ties the entire app together as a complete planning tool. As you can see, you can just choose the semester, your course, and then you can choose between lecture times, lab times, and choose the course that you're wanting to. So for Show and Tell 2, we are planning to merge all of our branches into one project and connect everything to a real data from SFU's APIs. So hopefully this will help our app with being functional as soon as possible, which means having live course info, program details, and real-time updates when adding or deleting your course. In phase 1, we focus on the UI. We're trying to focus on the back end and database of the app for the second phase, and later on we're hoping to more focus on the user experience of the app and just the visual attraction of it as well. And hopefully by the next phase we can provide you a fully functional version of SFU Course Planner. And just to sum everything up, this phase was really about building the foundation for us. We all just started getting into working on the app. None of us are really that experienced either, so we're all trying to work together as a group to make this happen. And as since we are students ourselves and we are the users of this app as well, so hopefully this will be something that is built by us, basically for us, because it gives us insight into what is really needed and necessary for this app. And thank you for listening, and we can wait to show you the next version at Show and Tell 2.